If I live one more day, I will give it to the Filipino people. Sabi nga ni Doc Lisa, kubain muna kami, Lord. Ikuba muna kami. Wag mo lang patayin si Doc Willie. I love the Filipino people. I want to serve you in any way I can. This is the new Doc Willie. The old Doc Willie, yung duwag, is still there. But the new Doc Willie is more, how do you say it? More vocal, more strong, more angry, more vicious. But he is also kind. Basta on my last dying breath, I will always say, gusto ko tulungan yung nasa probinsya, yung mga mahihirap, because that is my reason to live.